This new AI changes everything. ElevenLabs V2V tutorial. What if I told you that you could take any voice and instantly transform it into another voice in real time? Not text to speech, not voice cloning after recording. I'm talking about voice to voice AI that changes how you sound instantly. This is ElevenLabs version 2V, and honestly, it changes everything for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how to use it step by step. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about ElevenLabs and what is the V2V. ElevenLabs version 2V stands for voice to voice conversation. Now, instead of typing text and generating the long audio, you can speak normally and the AI transforms your voice into a completely different voice. It's like a voice changer. That means your tone stays natural, your emotions are preserved, but your voice changes entirely. And this is super easy to do because it makes it much more realistic than traditional AI voice tools. Now, why this is a big deal is important because before this, most AI voices sounded robotic or required heavy editing. With V2V, you get real-time transformation along with natural emotion that stays intact, and there is no need to act or perform differently because it feels like you're speaking but in someone else's voice. This is huge for creators because that way you can boost up the content creation you've been making. Now, first go over to ElevenLabs, log in or sign up, and once you're in, you can navigate to the voice tool section, which is on the left main dashboard. And once you're in the voice sections, you're going to see different options like voice changer or just sound effects, text to speech, and music. So we're going to go over to voice changer. Just make sure that your plan supports this feature because it may not be available on the free tiers. Now let's go ahead and select the voice that you want to transform. First, you can go ahead and record an audio, and we're simply just going to click on record audio. Now this opens up the enabling microphone option for us. Enable the microphone option, and then we are simply just going to wait for the AI to analyze it and simply just start recording. And once you click on start, the audio is being recorded and you can simply stop it once you're done. You can also go ahead and choose pre-made videos, or you can go ahead and choose your own cloned voice. Each voice has a different tone, style, and personality, so you can pick the one that fits your content the best. Now, when you're speaking, just make sure you're recording naturally and don't try to imitate everything. The AI will handle the transformation. Your natural delivery is what makes the output sound real, so the better and more expressive you are, the better the outcome is. And once you're done, stop recording. And now we can simply just take this recording and change it into a completely different voice. You can also go ahead and check out different voices. You can check the stability and go over and preview different AI voices. You can completely change the voice and clone it and start using it. Now here's where the magic is happening. You can go ahead and hear your speech, and then you can go over to your voices or go over to explore and then add in more AI voices. And now you can hear your speech, but in a completely different voice. It is still going to sound natural, but it's going to have your voice be completely replaced. And once everything is set, click on generate speech. You can also go ahead and tweak in the basic settings like your stability, clarity, and style. Now these help you refine the output completely. For example, higher stability is going to give you more consistent voice, and lower stability is just going to give you more expressive voice. So you can test different settings to find what works best, and you can also go ahead and record multiple recordings in different versions to see which is going to give you the best generation. You can test different settings and see what is going to work best for your style. Once you're satisfied, you can simply click on download, that is right next to the play and the different options. You can use it for YouTube voiceovers, you can use it for content creation, AI storytelling, social media content, or podcasts. This gives you a lot of creative flexibility, keeping you in control. Now let's go ahead and talk about real use cases because creators are using this V2V for Faces YouTube channels, character voiceovers, dubbing content, they're using it for storytelling, and just voiceovers without recording multiple takes. This saves you a lot of time, and in under a few minutes, we created the entire speech just like that. It saves time and adds creativity, giving you full control. Here are some pro tips for the best results, especially if you're a beginner. To speak clearly and naturally once you're recording the audio, you can use good audio quality, and that is what is going to give you the proper consistency. Just make sure you avoid the background noise and you're recording in a quiet room. And then you can test different voices to find the best match and the best style for your creation. Some common mistakes you need to avoid, which I see a lot of beginners make, is trying to force a tone while recording. Speak naturally, you don't need to force anything, you don't need to use fancy words or use or read out from a script. Just do it naturally and you're set. Also, don't expect perfection on the first try. You can experiment and refine later on, and you can also just give a better prompt if the audio seems to need refinements. Don't use poor audio quality, just make sure you're recording and not keeping the mic too close or too far from your mouth. Now, with this technology, it removes a major barrier in content creation and lifts off the heavy weight off your shoulder. You no longer need voice actors, expensive equipment, or simply just don't need a big barrier between the content creation. You don't need multiple recordings, and everything can be done simply by just generating the content in one space. And you can simply just create high quality videos instantly. Now, voice AI is evolving really fast. With tools like ElevenLabs V2V, you're moving towards real-time voice transformation and more personalized content. And this will never change how content is created, shared, and just consumed. Now, ElevenLabs V2V is one of the most powerful AI tools in 2026. It combines realism and speed and flexibility in a way we haven't seen before. And for beginners, this is the very scary tool because it is going to give you the absolute control and creativity. And if you're a content creator, then this is definitely worth trying. Before we officially wrap up this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, don't just watch, practice. Open the tool, try the steps we went over, experiment with the settings, and see how things work for yourself. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get, and the faster you'll improve as well. If you run into any questions, challenges, or errors while following along, drop a comment down below. Even if it's something small, asking questions is the fastest way to learn and master new skills. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step guides like this. I post new tutorials regularly, and subscribing helps you stay up to date with the latest tools, tips, and tricks. Finally, also think about how you can use what you learned today in your own projects, work, or business. Apply these steps creatively and see what unique results you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helped you. Remember to comment your questions or ideas, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.